65802. For even more weather information from your National Weather Service, check out the following internet websites: www.weather.gov/SGF. The current time is The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for southern Berry County until 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. At 11:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cassville, Exeter, Washburn, Shell Nub, Emerald Beach, Eagle Rock, Arrow Point, Wayne, Ridgely, Table Rock Lake, and Roaring River State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Many flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following county: Berry, Missouri,